It started in Accra. Not with an event, with a belief that Africa's future would be built by those bold enough to imagine it. In 2022, Accra
we want to
answered
have a borderless currency, but more importantly, a currency that reminds us of who we are.
The energy in the Bitcoin community only increased.
In 2023, the movement grew louder.
Blantyre keeps my dreams alive.
Sometimes the struggle can get pretty dark out there.
Then the journey moved east to Nairobi, where new ideas found new momentum.
This is where the legends go.
When I was in Ghana 2 years ago, it felt very small but very promising. And today it's just unrecognizable in the best way.
That Africa is not going to be a bystander in this movement, but Africa is essentially going to be a leader.
And when the evening comes around,
In 2025, the movement crossed the ocean, reaching Port Louis.
every corner shines so bright. The spirit here can never hide. You can feel the pride inside.
Connecting voices from across the continent and beyond. 3 cities, 4 unforgettable years. One movement.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the audience?
So my name is Igor Korsakov. I'm the creator of Blue Wallet, which is mobile.
And now, the journey continues to a place where the next chapter will be written. A place ready to welcome Africa. ABC 2026, Blantyre, Malawi. See you there.